Hey guys, what's up? So for today's video, I thought we'd do a 0 to 100 get ready with me and also a how-to red lip. How to wear a red lip. Easy, simple makeup, but with a red lip. I haven't worn a red lip in a while and I feel like I don't think I've ever done a red lip on my channel, so might as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I do, then just keep on watching. I definitely forgot to do my eyebrows, but it's okay because it's a 0 to 100. So I'm just gonna be putting on some eye masks, and these are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Golden Eye Mask. Did I really choose to film when the street sweeper is passing by? Yes, I did. For eyebrows, I'm actually gonna switch it up a bit, and I'm gonna use a pomade, and this is the e.l.f. one. I'm just going to grab this eyeshadow palette, and this is the Sigma and Beauty Bird palette. I'm going to take this Urban Decay single eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Starlight. It's from their Moon Dust collection. Just apply this over my whole lid. Honestly, the shade is beautiful, and I got this when, you know how Sephora gives you your birthday reward or something like that? That's when I got this, and honestly the shade is so beautiful. I'm just gonna go back into those matte shades from the Beauty Bird palette. Quickly just going to line my upper lash line with this Maybelline Master Precise All Day liquid liner, and it's just a black one. For the red lips, I'm going to be using a combo from Wet n Wild. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Gel Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Red the Scene. I'm a little nervous for the red, but let's see. For liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild as well, and this is in the shade Missy and Fierce. So pretty. I very much have Miranda lips right now, so I feel like I need to go in, sharpen it up a bit. Okay, that's it for this look, guys. That is the red lip. Simple eyes, but still glam and still so easy. And then a red lip just to make it look that more. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. And if you guys did enjoy my video, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.